Fun Facts presents the 1967 Pontiac GTO, one of the classic muscle cars of that era. The car was first introduced in 1963. It ran through 1974, and then it had another short love life of about 2003 to 2006. But today we're concentrating on 1967. Are you excited? Let's get started now. The 1967 Pontiac GTO stands as one of the most beautiful muscle cars of all time. To their iconic muscle car's pleasing nose, Pontiac's designers added simple polished chain link grille inserts. At the tail, they resculpted some edges and cleaned up the lamps without disturbing the matchless lines of the 66. The stylist had created an aesthetic triumph. Something fresh lurked behind the 1967 Pontiac GTO's gorgeous new grille. The standard engine was now a 400 CID enlargement of the 389 CID V8. Compression was unchanged, and the base version with its 4-barrel carburetor again made 335 horsepower. But taking over the 360 horsepower slot from the discontinued tri-carburetor setup was a new single 4-barrel high output option. Its cost $77 extra and added a higher lift camshaft, free flow exhaust manifolds, and an open element air cleaner. Of the 81,722 GTOs built for 1967, 13,827 were equipped with the HO engine. For another $263, the 1967 Pontiac GTO's HO mill could be fitted with Ram Air. These ultimate GTO V8s had extra strong valve springs and a longer duration cam. They were underrated at 360 horsepower. The Ram Air package consisted of hardware that opened the otherwise non-functional hood scoops, plus a pan that went under the open element air cleaner and matted to the hood with a foam rubber skirt. Ram Air was a factory option ordered for 751 cars, but the pan and scoop parts were shipped in the trunk of the car for the installation by the dealer. The owner was advised to refit the closed scoop hardware during wet weather. 3 and 4-speed manual transmissions, both with Hurst shifters, were offered for the 1967 Pontiac GTO. Ram Air versions could use the stick or an automatic, but the 4:33:1 axle ratio was mandatory. Replacing the 2-speed automatic was the 3-speed turbo hydromatic. When it was ordered with a center console, the gear lever was relocated from the steering column to the floor, and a Hurst dual gate shifter was used. The driver could leave the lever in the drive and slide it into an adjacent gate for a fully manual shifting. Detail revisions fine-tuned the GTO's styling, while under hood a 400 cubic inch diameter V8 replaced the hollowed 389. This car has the optional hood mounted tack, which looked cool but was hard to read in rain or direct sunlight. The cabin was still top flight, even if the dash did trade wood trim for a wood grain vinyl look. Among other new options for the 1967 Pontiac GTO were power front disc brakes, a $105 option, and hood mounted tack, an additional $84. Well, if you've come this far into the video and you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. It really does help our channel. And if you like our channel, please subscribe. And we'll look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you. Take care always.